It is a cold, snowy day, and a little girl is selling matches.
Matches! Buy some matches! Matches! Buy some matches! Matches! Buy some matches!
Matches! Please buy my matches!
Matches! Buy some matches! Matches! Buy some matches!
Matches! Please buy my matches!
Matches! Buy some matches! Matches! Buy some matches!
The little match girl sighs.
Nobody buys any matches. Matches! Buy some matches! Matches! Buy some matches! Matches! Buy some matches!
Matches! Please buy my matches!
Oh my!
Watch out!
She falls down. She drops all the matches. The little match girl sighs. It snows and snows, but no one buys any matches. The match girl hears Christmas carols from a house. She looks into the window. The match girl sees a big Christmas tree.
What a beautiful tree!
It gets dark. There is nobody in the street.
It is freezing. I will light one match.
There is a small flame.
Wow!
It gets warm. The match girl lights another match.
Wow! What a beautiful tree!
The match girl lights a third match. She sees food in the flames. another match. This time, she sees her grandmother.
Grandma, I miss you.
Oh, Grandma, I missed you so much. Take me with you.
Her grandmother takes the match girl to heaven.